Welcome to Enshine. Let's learn greetings. Good morning. Use between 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good afternoon. Use between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Good evening. Use between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Good night. Use when going to sleep or leaving at night. Hello. Use any time of the day, formal or informal. Hi. Casual and friendly greeting at any time. Nice to meet you. Use when meeting someone for the first time. Pleased to meet you. Use very formal first time meeting. How do you do? Use formal British style greeting. What's up? Use informal with close friends only. Hey there. Use friendly casual greetings, friends and classmates. How's it going? Use with friends, co-workers, casual tone. How have you been? Use when you meet someone after a long time. Long time no see. Use after not seeing someone for many days or weeks. Bye. Use when leaving, informal. See you later. Use when you plan to meet again soon. Take care. Use while leaving, polite and caring. Catch you later. Use very informal goodbye among friends. Have a nice day. Use after ending a conversation, polite and kind. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.